Thank you. Hello to everyone. I'm Luca Goria from Turin in Italy. I'm a user experience designer, and I'm excited to be here in Hannover Messe to introduce this project we are doing with our client Biesse. In this project, the attention to the needs of final users and the use of innovative technology make the difference. But it's not me who has to tell about this project. Let me introduce Luca Lavia and Mattia Mori, who tell us about how is born this project and how it's evolved. Please.
Thank you, Luca. So, good afternoon, everybody. I am Mattia Mori, Digital Product Manager in Biesse, and today I want to present to you our new human-machine interface. Just a brief introduction of Biesse. Biesse is an Italian company founded in 1969. We manufacture lines, machinery, and components for different sectors, from aerospace, construction, automotive, furniture, and so on. So 3 years ago, more or less, we start an evolution. We are surrounded from a multi-material world, and we want to give our customer a solution that covers that multi-materiality. So we develop different solutions from wood, stone, glass, material, and metal machinery and lines. We want to give to our customers solutions that they fit their needs. So we start a complex portfolio evolution because we want to give to our customer the functionality they need, the performance they need in all the materials. We want to have a complete portfolio for all the material I said before, and we want to give them products, real products, that start from the machinery, the iron, let me say like that, the automation, but also services and the digital part that becoming more and more important in the industrial world like Biesse, in Biesse world. So, for this reason, we developed B/0N. B/0N is the new human-machine interface. Okay. We launched this product to enhance the usability of Biesse machines, empower operators to work more efficiently with a great confidence. So, thanks to B/0N, we want to bring the daily life operation that we do with our smartphone, tablet, in industrial world. So very easy machinery to use without any learning, without learning so much on the machine. So very easy to use immediately. This is the aim of this project. This video shows you the Biesse.
We are surrounded by amazing multi-material products that enhance people's everyday life. A unique machinery portfolio inspired by this multi-material world empowers your production process to be intuitive, smooth, efficient, always by your side, by establishing a strong relationship.
Okay, this is Biesse, and the reason why we developed the solution. So B/0N is the new human-machine interface, as I said before, and here you find a sort of cycle of evolution. We start from new identity, so the evolution, a new identity, and we want to bring the digital evolution in our machines and lines, of course, so we decided to evolve industrial UX in our machine. As I said before, we want to give them the daily operation they do, the sticky notes, the smart link, something that daily they use on their smartphone in a very easy way. So we design a platform that give us the possibility to create this evolution. And B/0N is the first product that we release thanks to this platform. So we have a digital transformation ongoing in our company. And the human machine, we start with the human machine interface because we want to give a clear sign of evolution in our machines. So the B/0N is the key expression of this transformation. The technology, is quite important in our world, but we want to humanize the technology to bring it to the level of human experience. So bring the technology at the level of human. Luca.
So, where did we start from here? This is the old HMR, the traditional human-machine interface that in Biesse we used. So that you can see we have a different graphic interface and different interaction for each machine, different material and different technology machine. So that our goals for that we needed to improve, not what just improve on the graphic interface, but the new idea, the global idea for the new platform idea. So in that case, Capgemini engineering support us to start from the new concept of the engineering, the new concept of the interaction with our machine. How did our machine interaction with us, but also how we interaction with the data and the commands on our machine. And the Capgemini support to create a new digital system and a new design system in our company to evolve and to improve this knowledge in all the company, in our company, Biesse company. So here we represent and we show what we have the goals. So the new platform, and in that case we have on the center B/0N. Beyond is the enabling for the different concept, and then it is a different link with the interaction with our company. Interaction on digital transformation is starting in our company. So the automation, so the first point, the first pillar, that we need to improve every testing process when we're evolving this platform. The modular design, again, the stability, the interaction, and the new interaction with our machine. And cloud integration. So as design, our platform is connected as design. And of course, device connected, different defined, because we have a different machine, different environment, and we live with a different device. Mobile, tablet, watch, CPU, every single that we need to connect on this platform. So, the result of that is this. The new concept, the new interaction with our machine, and this is the result of one of the technology for the specific machine, but we have the same framework, the same interaction with all the machine in our BS. So we have a different navigation approach. We simplify our customer leave the machine and the complex machine, because as Mattia said before, we have a different material, different technology for each machine. And we simplify everything in another platform, in one platform, BON, with this interaction. It's the gateway for the new operation interaction.
Okay, so this is the technology part, but the technology is not the driver of this transformation. We want to use the technology in a strategic way to create value for our customers. So you can read there, we create a digital co-worker, something that we can use without any training. We give to our customer this solution, and in 1 hour they start using our complex machine. This is the goal that we want to attain. We want that our customer goals is to create value for their customer, not in order to use the machine. They have to create value, not thinking about how to use the machine. This is the main goal that we want to attain. So this interface that you can see is the same for all the machines we have in our portfolio. So customers that have more than one machine, they change operator because the turnover is very high in our market, So it's quite important to start using a machine in a very easy way, in a fast way, This is the aim we want to obtain. So here you can see a list of bullet points that we obtain. first of all, we integrated the CAD-CAM inside the new HMI because our customer use the CAD-CAM directly on the machine, so we integrate that on the HMI in a very easy way. We put some parts that are, let me say, like sticky notes or smart link. So we have already sticky notes on our machine, the smart link in order to navigate in a very easy way on our machine. And we add the dark and light mode. You have not the dark light mode in your smartphone. You every day using that, but in an industrial environment, depending on the light you have on the screen, you can change the color of the HMI in order to use better and better the machine. But another important point is the energy management. We introduce also the monitoring of the energy consumption of the machine, suggesting how to use the machine. We integrating that solution in our HMI. But the main important point is the video tutorial. We put inside the HMI a lot of video tutorial in order to explain to you, the end user, how to use the machine. All the video are translating using the AI in all the languages of our market, so all over the world. We have a lot of branches all over the world, so our market is worldwide, and we translate all the video in the specific language. So if you don't remember something, you can search the video tutorial and you can start using the machine. So this multi-material HMI include all this stuff. To conclude, so the technology doesn't lead the change, but the integration of digital technology with the human experience let us to create value to our customer. Thank you.
Thank you.
So at this point, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Because we have built together the foundation of the digital transformation of Biesse. And the question is, what do you foresee for the evolution of the projects in the next 2 years?
Okay. So can you come back to the last slide?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so this is the first step for digital evolution. What that means, every time that you're thinking the digital evolution starts from the machine in manufacturing. We needed to implement the new platform inside in the machine, and after that we can receive the data and do evaluation of the data, everything that now we live with the new agent AI or every single service is connected. So without this, you have the single pillar, and the activity for that is very, very hard. So every time that you're thinking for our company, but it's the same for multiple companies, when you are thinking the digital twin, without the history, without the data, you don't have the digital twin. So that it is the platform, and in that platform, you receive every single data we live on our machine.
Yeah. So now we have the technology on board of our machine. So for my side, for the product side, it's quite easy, to scale this solution, because I have just to ask, and then one service is available on all our portfolio. So it's quite easy. We can develop just one solution for all our machine. So now we want, with the data and with the information of our machine and our own knowledge on how using the machine, we can develop and we put our brain inside our machine. So thanks to the AI services, we can say to our customer how to better use the machine, what they have to do to perform better using our machine, because we know our machine and we want to give our customer our knowledge to better use our machine. So it's quite easy now to think about new services, because thinking about new services is easy in this world. Everything is a service. So thanks to this platform, we can develop in a very easy way and fast way. But the first step is to create the platform and to create B/0N, that is the first step of the digital evolution of our company.
Yes.
Thank you.